everyone, my name's Sydney and today I decided to film a video where I let my 3 dogs pick my makeup for me. If you're interested in how this turned out, please keep watching.
So this is Pierre. Hi Pierre. This is Tyler. Where have you gone? Herbie. It's Herbie's. Right guys, you're going to pick one for me. Okay, pick one. That's all of them. Okay, you selected this one, thank you. Definitely selected this.
The foundation my dog decided to pick for me was the Hourglass Stick Foundation, so I'm just going to blend this in with my beauty blender.
Right, please will you pick one for me? I feel like you're just going to go straight to the one up on the floor first. Right, wait. No, you gotta wait. Okay, pick one. Okay. Oh, no, that was both. Right, come on, guys, pick one. Please pick. Go. Go. Okay, that was definitely this one, thank you. Oh, even Herbie's come to say this one. Thank you, guys.
So my dogs decided to pick the Rimmel Stay Matte powder to just set my foundation with a brush.
You gonna pick some eyeshadow? No, wait, don't sniff it yet. Right, go, pick one. Pick one. Yeah, pick one. Okay, don't, that's fine, okay. Tyler, pick one. Go. Okay.
The next thing I let my dogs choose was my eyeshadow palette, and the eyeshadow palette they chose was the Morphe 35O. So I've just taken this brown in my crease, and then next I'm going to take this orange. I'm not really sure what I'm going for yet. Just gonna see how it goes. Just apply this orange to the outer third of my eyelid, as well as just a bit lower down in the crease than that first transition shade I used. Then I'm going to take the first brush that I used for the transition shade just to blend the transition shade and the orange shade together. I'm then going to take this shimmery shade just to put all over my lid. Actually, I'm just going to put it on half my lid, making sure those two colours are blended together nicely. I'm also going to take my finger. I just feel like using my finger to use like more shimmery shades goes on better. Now I've done this eye, I'm going to do the other eye off camera and also do my eyeliner and some mascara, and I'll be back.
Wait, no, don't sniff yet. Wait, everybody. Right, pick my eyelashes. Go. Oh no, you picked different eyelashes. Herbie, decide. Be the decider, Herbie. Thank you.
So the next thing I'm going to do is apply my eyelashes. My dog selected my Isla Texture Lashes number 117. So for my bronzer, my dog decided to pick the W7 Shape Your Face Contour Kit, but the bronzer in this kit is actually way too dark for my skin tone, so I don't think this is going to look so great, but we'll see. I've just taken the middle shade because that's supposedly the bronzing shade. Oh, that's actually not as bad as I expected. Okay, I think I can work with this actually. This is not bad at all.
Okay, go pick a highlighter. Okay, thank you. You picked this one. Good boy. Thank you.
So for my highlight, Pierre kindly picked the Naked Illuminated Shimmering Face and Body Powder from Urban Decay. I'm just putting that on my cheekbones, my nose, on top of my lip.
Right, go on, pick a lip liner for me. You're gonna pick one? Anyone? Come on, pick one. I'll just step all over them. No, okay, this was a bit of a disaster. Pick one. Please pick one. Okay, I'm gonna take it as you pick this one. Thank you.
So Tyler picked a red lip liner for me from MAC. Pro Longwear Lip Pencil in the colour Water Blast. So I'm just going to line my lips with this.
Right guys, go. Pick me one. You went straight for the end one? Oh, okay. Well, that was not helpful. Here we go, pick one. Because Pierre's just ruining it. Okay. Well, that was not helpful. Right, come on guys. Go, pick one. Go on, Heavy, pick one. Please. Well, you guys are the worst. Come on, pick one for me. Do it for Sydney. Please. Go on, pick one. Oh, God's sake, man. Can't you pick one? Okay, you sniff those two. Because he sniffs these two, I'm going to give them the option out of these two again. Right, everyone come here. Go, pick one. Go. Oh, you didn't pick either. Pick one. Pick. You're looking at it. You're not sniffing it though. Go on, pick one. Please. Oh, Pierre. Come on, Heavy, pick one for me. Oh, thank you.
My dogs were then kind enough to pick me a brown lipstick, not a red one. So they picked me the Charlotte Tilbury Bond Girl lipstick, so hopefully I can make this look half decent. So this is my finished makeup look. I probably wouldn't have chosen this lip colour to go with this eyeshadow if it was me, but clearly they liked it. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video.